Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open my Studio Calico kit. This is the July kit, and I always forget what the kit looks like, so oh, I remember now. I remember the numbers. I think that's all my brain registered. Let's see. Oh, these are really cute. These are like little leaves, and they are acetate leaves. Let me see if I can find some. This is light enough. There are a few different colors. This is really pretty. I honestly wasn't that excited about these, but now looking at them in real life, they do look really cute. So I like that one. My July veneer, wood veneer, is not broken and it's not burnt. I like it. I like the color too. Let me see the stamps. Honestly, another set of stamps that it's cute, but it's not what I would pick. I do love the leaves, and maybe I could do something with that in this border. Still very cute. The numbers, finally, yay! They heard my complaints. No, I'm pretty sure that like maybe they'll do it at least once a year where they release numbers. They're really cute. Love the font. Love the fact that they're chipboard. That means they have a little bit of extra volume, but not too much. These are cute. I can probably type my journaling in these using my typewriter. I like it. And oh, okay, these are the letters. It's just that the background is the same craft color. I'm gonna try to remember to put a photo in here so you guys can see how they look. Okay, and then we have these chipboard stickers. I don't know why they have, maybe that's so you can put them in their 3x8 albums. I was like suddenly like, why do they have holes? Because usually you don't really put chipboard things, but I guess if you're doing your planner in a 3x8, that works. I like them. Honestly, when I saw them, I also didn't like these. I don't think these colors, the watercolor texture and this little grid pattern, didn't read well in the photos. So when I saw them, I wasn't too happy, but they look really pretty. They look way prettier, and they're pretty good for Project Life, pretty basic. Now we're gonna go to the part that it's always my favorite. Doesn't fail, their signature rainbow card. Okay, so these are summer colors, but they're a little bit muted. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so let's start. Oh, I thought these were gonna be bigger. They're super tiny ladies in beach towels. They're super tiny. Oh, it's hard to like focus, but it's really cute. And that's like a coral pattern. The weekend card. I am loving oranges lately. I don't know why. I love these cards they're doing. They're putting like a bunch of little elements in a card. I'm liking that. I feel like they're so thick that I always think there's two of them. Shake it off. I like the back though. I'm gonna put it the other way. I'm not, if you've seen my videos, you know that I'm not a muted colors kind of person. Oh, this is super cute. Always a big fan of numbers. This is cute too. The C is the part of me. I love this one too. I love both sides. Always on the sunny side. Let me put this one. I love this one, and I wish they made this a little stamp. How cute would that be? A little sand between your toes always takes away your woes. And I after I finished some beach photos that I took a few years ago, now I have like a lot of beach items, and I'm like, great. After I finish you know, documenting summer reading list. Oh, I like this one. What are you guys reading? I am reading I just finished a graphic novel called Dancing at the Pity Party. I like both sides, they're good. And I'm listening, because I always have like a book that I read and a book that I listen to. And I'm listening to The Handmaid's Tale because my book club picked it, and I love this. And I read it already, but it was a few years ago. I don't remember that well, and I don't mind. Of this. Ah, that's so cute. You see another stamp like that. How cute would that be? Today was awesome, and I need a do-over. I like this because you can use either side, and the rest you can like cover it with a sticker. I like this pattern too. Love this. I like it more in the yellow, but this one's really cute too. And I like the back too. Love this one. And I like this one too. Oh, and I bought a bunch of Studio Calico digitals, and I got the digital cards for this kit, which it's always a plus. And let's do the 4x6. I like both sides. This is kind of like craft, maybe to match the stickers. I love this too. Monthly highlights. Love this pattern. And love this one too. Okay, they brought their A game for the 4x6 cards. Enjoy the space between you are and where you are going. Love both sides of that too. So this is the whole kit. I honestly thought that my favorite things were going to be the numbers. And I really love them. I really like them. I'm happy they finally got some. But I also really like the leaves that I thought I wasn't going to like. And these labels, I honestly didn't even notice them. But I love it. Because you can type or use your handwriting. And for this small grid, I like to use my Tombow Monodrawing pen. I like to use the 01. Oh, I'm grabbing every pen but the one that I'm reaching for, of course. So it's this one. This is 01. It has a really small So yeah, that was my favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to use it. I've been using my Studio Calico kits a lot lately, so check out my past videos to see what I made with other kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!